Welcome back to another video. We got a special one for you guys today. It's currently Wednesday night, and we got a banger hunt tomorrow. This is gonna be the same field that we got that duck hunt in the blizzard. We got that 6-man in about 15 minutes. We got Dive Bomb coming out with us for that, and they'll be here Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But
it's also special because our new buddy Rice is coming with us. Shout out Rice. This guy right there. You lost a decoy on the interstate, buddy, and we saved him. He was out there in the cold all by himself. We seen him, so we stopped, picked him up. He's in safe hands, but if you want to claim him, we got him here.
you can have them for a fee.
3 cheese sticks.
But it's gonna be a fun morning. We got snow moving in. It's gonna be a little worse than what it was last time. It's gonna be pretty much a blizzard when we're out there. So it's gonna take a while to drive out there. But it's looking like it was a 5K duck feed and about 1,500 specks, and the rest they're all darks pretty much. So Canada's cacklers and specklebellies. But we want to give a big shout out to our buddy Hunter. He's been watching this field for a while, and we originally hunted it on Monday. And we kind of wanted to leave it, so it worked out in Dive Bomb's favor for them to come up here at a good time, and we knew that we could get another banger hunt out of it.
Shout out to Duck Nuts for the hoodies. I have a giant stain on this somehow. So shout out to Duck Nuts for the hoodies. These are pretty dope. Snow advisory on the sleeve. I think I'm probably gonna wear one in the morning.
But before we get into the rest of the video, make sure you guys give us a follow on Instagram. Make sure you guys are subscribed to us. We're gonna have a ton of content out. Everybody told you this, so make sure you smash the subscribe button. And apparel, so make sure you guys check that out too. I'll have that in the link below this video, but I'll see you guys in the morning.
Morning. Just double checking, triple checking, we got everything here. Got a lot of decoys going to the field this morning, but it's going to be snowing, so we're probably not going to set them up right away since we're getting there so early. It's an unposted field, and we don't want to be beat to it because it looked really juicy last night, so we're getting there super early. Weather conditions are supposed to start getting bad. Not snowing in Fargo yet, but it's supposed to be snowing down there in about 20 minutes or so. Start up here in about an hour. We're going to go meet Hunter over at his place and all the other guys, so we'll see you over there. This is fun. Going 45 and a 65, and I can't tell if there's a turn 20 feet in front of me or not. So that's good. Should be a good day of hunting though.
I guess it's up to y'all.
Alright, we are all set up now. We're running about, I would say, 40 dozen Dive Bombs. We got a mix of socks, and we got some ducks out there, some V2Fs, but majority of it's V2Fs. But the wind it's alright this morning. We got about 10 miles out of the east-northeast, and I think these ducks are gonna do it pretty good. It's gonna be on top of us all morning, and then we're waiting for the specs to come after that. Asher and his dad and Kate arrived here. They're setting up their layout, so. Asher's dad.
Yeah, old dude here.
He's our all-time QB behind the wheel, man, on these trips. Gets behind the wheel, says, give me the rock, and goes.
Good morning. We're out here once again hunting the snow, which is always a good sign. Found the feed last night, like 3,000 geese, a lot of specks, a lot of snows, a lot of cacks. There is some big, probably 5,000 ducks that ended up showing up by Peak Point last night, which is, they should play this morning. Hopefully it all works out with the snow and the wind. We're running a lot of decoys this morning. Gotta kick them off because of the snow, but it should blind all the birds for us. It should be a good hunt, so stay tuned.
We got about 10 minutes till shooting time, and then once the action starts pounding, I'll get back to you guys.
Kill 'em, guys.
Well, I guess the specs want to play before the mallards do, but that's fine. We're fine with shooting some specs quick.
Coming on the right here.
Kill 'em up top. Kill 'em up top.
What just happened here?
Kill the band.
Cackler bad, huh?
Yeah.
Single.
Oh, you better it up, boy. It's way. Got him! 100% I trip.
Oh, let's not miss.
It's wait.
Go!
100% I trip. Oh, that's a Canada's. Dumb. Got him! Got him!
Kill him!
Got him! Big old green tops here.
Yep.
Got him!
Kill him!
Nope, no more green.
Kill him! Got him! I killed that green head out there. I got the green head. Got him!
Kill green!
I killed that green head out there. I got the green head.
We're shooting a little bit of a mix of everything this morning. We got snow geese, we got specks, we got ducks, we got cacklers, we got that cackler band. That was awesome. Bunch of snows. This is sweet.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Kill him!
Try to shoot green.
Yes, please.
Hey, these three on the front left, far left are all breaks, guys.
Kill him!
Kill him!
Hands.
Probably, yeah. Kill him!
That's pintail.
Kill the drake, guys!
That's a pintail.
Yep.
These are all specs. Oh my. Kill him!
Let's mop them up, boys.
Swing right this time.
Yep. Oh my.
Kill him, guys!
Oh.
Oh my, get ready guys.
Kill him! Ones that we didn't shoot at when the other ones were here.
Kill him!
Kill him!
Starting to get into them. It's been hot and heavy this morning, just crazy. Got about 10 more specks to fill our tag, 11 more hens, a couple more ducks, just crazy. Nothing better than this. My first snow hunt of the year so far, and craziness.
What are your thoughts so far?
Dude, are you kidding me? Shooting everything, man. Mallards, pintail, wood duck, little cacklers with a band, lessers, barred up specks, snows, blues, man, you name it. It's been unbelievable. getting weird in the snow.
Oh yeah, single green.
Kill it. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! He's too low.
And the Drake Mallard. Kill those 3.
Kill all 3 of those, boys.
Oh yeah, they're all done.
Oh yeah.
my god.
Get nice and tight.
Kill him!
Oh, they're being. Let them work, I guess.
Kill him!
Left side low.
Kill him!
Kill him! Kill him, guys! Clock a penny, you're ready. Kill him, guys! Kill green!
We're over 110.
We got 72 ducks.
We're over 110. Kill that one! We're done!
We just shot our very last mallard. That caps it off for our duck limit. Sounds like a bunch of the guys are gonna go sit in the trucks because we are all cold and wet. A couple of us might stay out here and see if we can shoot some more geese. So also, somewhere in all this madness, we got a mallard band. I believe Buddy Guy down there shot that. It was right off the right end, so.
Kill him!
Click.
Got him! There we go.
All right, so it's about time we're packing it up. It's about 10:30, and we're getting all wet. We're getting cold, and it's been a fun morning, so we're not complaining about leaving. Once we get everything picked up and everything lined up together, I'll get back to you guys. But I feel like it's gonna be, I'm gonna say 114. That's my final number. But yeah, we got a lot of decoys to pick up, and then I'll get back to you guys.
All right, so we're stacking the pile right now. We ended with 2 bands today. The first one, the CAC, pretty old band. I don't know if Colin can get zoomed in on that, but it's definitely an old bird. It's the first one I've ever seen. Got a mallard band as well. This one looks pretty new, but just crazy. First snow hunt of the year, and getting out with Dive Bomb, that's just a super cool experience. You know, we've been using their decoys for 2 years now, and it's nice to see the face of the company and nice to put them on some birds as well. But you know, we wouldn't have been out here if it wasn't for Hunter, whoever Hunter is, but big shout out to him.
Just packing up here, about to take some pictures. I have no clue what the final count is for number wise.
I guess 114.
I guess 119 on the way out. I think it's actually more.
How was the hunt this morning?
It wasn't bad. We caught a few. Nice. Kill them in the snow. Nothing like it.
Worth the trip?
Yeah, for sure.
Well, to say the least, we ended the day with 134 total. Got a bunch of snows, specs, duck, Canadas. Like, you could not ask for a better day. We had 12 guys a day. A lot of birds work, a lot of shooting happened. Good day in the field, to say the least.
Props to the scout himself.
Hey.
You heard it from Hunter. We ended with 134, and all that's left to do is do the band drawing for that cackler and that mallard. I got a feeling that cackler's an old bird. I'm gonna say maybe 10 years old. It's got some good wear on it. We're gonna do that quick, and then once we get that figured out, I'll get back to you again.
Sitka. What? Give me the Sitka.
What's the color we're looking at?
All right, this is a little cackler band that's really worn, so this is kind of, there's a lot on the line here. So who all's in this thing?
Whoever gets the heavy shot. All right, who's going first?
Go first, I'll go second.
All right.
The Rio
Trying
show.
to peek.
This is it.
Oh.
See it.
Oh, this is the one right here.
Yeah.
No.
Oh no!
Kidding me. Look at this.
Oh, you can
I
see
saw
it.
the
You
shell,
can
so
see it.
I can-
Oh,
Pressure,
who's gonna
boys.
get it?
Oh, I got it.
Winner!
There you go.
Awesome, dude.
Master Tolliver with Dive Bomb Industries. We kind of had a last minute plan, a little reroute, a little change of plans, and hollered at our SmackEM boys. We've been working with them for a couple years now, met them through social media, and they've just been great ambassadors for us in this North Dakota area and just helping spread the good word. These guys they're the real deal, man. They know what they're doing, they know how to find them, they know how to kill them. Great guys. And so our plan changed, called an audible, hit these guys up, came out with them this morning, and as you can see, it's an absolute blizzard. But we wore them out. I think we finished total mixed bag of 132, 133 birds. Shot our limited ducks, quite a few snows, some cacklers, some big honkers, some specks. Shot a couple bands. We shot a mallard band, shot a cackler band. So you couldn't ask for a better first day here in North Dakota. These guys are great, and look forward to hunting with them again. Appreciate everything they do for us.
We're back in Fargo now after a awesome hunt with the Dive Bomb boys and all the other boys that we usually hunt with. It was something else. You can't beat it in the snow like this with the blowing snow and the wind. It's so fun. But we did get information on that cackler band. It's from Nunavut, Canada, and it was banded in 2011, so I guess 2010, so I was pretty close there. The mallard band I'm not too sure about. I did not get any information back on that, but it did look like a pretty young band. So, but it's looking like cold temps are coming through, so I know the boys at Dive Bomb, they want to get on a nice duck hunt, so we're gonna go do some scouting tonight and find a nice duck feed for them. There's a lot of ducks around here, bought some mallards and pintails and lots of gadwalls, but we're not really interested in gadwalls right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this banger video. If you guys haven't checked out our website, make sure to check it out. I'll have the link in the bio. So we got a bunch of hoodies, we got hats, we got everything you want, really. Check it out. If you guys like these videos, make sure you leave a like on this. We'd appreciate it a lot. And if you guys aren't subscribed, definitely make sure you subscribe. But that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.